Hey guys, this is Tim here with Tackeet Outdoors. Come out here this Wednesday afternoon to head to work to do some practicing. See what we can come up with for a Saturday tournament. Just stay tuned with us. Hopefully we get some. First catch of the day, guys. Nice little chub. The old spinner bait. Got this spinner bait at the North Baits, Cooper's North Baits. Anthony's going to check him for us there. 16.5 inches, folks. On Norris. Big. They got to be 18 to keep. Boy, he hit it good. I mean, smoked it.
I thought he was bigger. I thought he was 18.
He hit it hard. I like to cast the jigs right here around this log post right here between. We'll probably do that. Try this new jig out. Never thrown brand new. Something different here. A little uglier than most. Sometimes you gotta do things different than other people. I found that out the hard way. fish, bud.
Rockfish. At the boat right there. I mean, he hit it at the boat. You guys seen that? Another little smallmouth. That's number 2.
Let's see.
The old spinnerbait.
Big.
I mean, he's not big, but you know, he's a fish. Have a good day, sir. Thank you. Dude, he slammed that right at the boat.
I seen that.
Smallmouth. I like them big largemouth, by the way. I like catching brown, big old brown ones, but it's hard to do. Catch them big keepers. Well, I said it, buddy.
It'll be a smallmouth.
It's a good smallmouth. That's number 3 for you, Blake. Well, I like to see them get bigger, but you know, they're all getting smaller. Still fun to catch. It's just fun to be out here on the water, to be honest with you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna try a different bait here. Like I said, we're practicing and see what they want, so we're gonna try about anything we can to find out what the big ones are wanting. Do them other 2 poles I brought on here.
got a gun. Anthony won't give me no room to put my poles. Turd.
Number 4. Smallmouth.
Yeah, big shiner laying dead over on the bank.
Oh my gosh. Caught a little number 5 on the bigger needle part.
Look like who I caught that time.
Little bitty fella.
Yeah.
boat.
Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That had been a good one, wasn't it?
Sure, it was good.
Yeah, but I can get a stick to come here.
I got him. Oh yeah, boy. Right here to let you lay out.
Boat flip it.
Oh, Timmy got him a good little hog here. kind of fishing in the back of the boat there, you know. I like to flip. We go by these brush piles. And there's a nice little chunker right there. What?
With the others.
So guys, I got 3 bites off one log back there. That means those fish are stacked on that log. And Jotham's trying to hook his partner in the face there. You guys see that?
You know, I've only caught one fish on the today.
I've had 5 bites. No. 3, 4. That one was behind us and I couldn't catch up to it.
I'm talking about before you came.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know what it was?
What?
The biggest one that's in there.
Oh, in old Kentucky?
Yeah, that big Kentucky.
You got him one, like I said, guys.
Spot.
There should be a fish on this right here. And he did it.
I'll pay number 5. I guess put him in there.
We'll just take the pictures, release them right back here. There's another log, guys. I'm gonna try to flip it. See what. No, I got him.
Spot. Yeah.
Yeah, I caught another little spot. I think that's number 8. I thought I missed him. Well, there's a minnow.
Yeah.
Still, that guy's right here on Norris is still a regulation fish. You can weigh this in. And there again, I told you there should be a fish here on this point. There you go. I'm gonna pick my jig up, guys. I like this brush up here. Anthony's got one.
Small one. Nothing but bigs.
There's number 9.
That's what we all came up with. That's all I catch is big and then
Yeah. So guys, where we've said there should be fish, there's been a fish just about every time.
where's that?
Okay folks, we're gonna try one more spot. It's getting dark on us, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I've been out here about an hour and 15 minutes. Anthony come out at 2:30. This one of Anthony's big minnows. Like I said earlier, guys, this is a regulation fish on Norris, and you know, just come out here and practice. We done pretty good.
That's what the other keepers we caught.
2 Kentuckies there. I think there's another largemouth there.
Yeah, there's largemouth right here.
Guys, appreciate you watching us. Come back and see us, Tackeet Creek Outdoors fishing segment.
Go, bud.